Hello and welcome. Today we'll be going through the OptiAssist for Simcenter3D tutorial. This will be the Topography tutorial 2, the topography of a bent plate under static torsion using planar patterns. As you can see, I've already got the model loaded. The first thing we are going to do is run a simple analysis. Once that has ran, we can take a look at the results. Here we can see a maximum displacement taking place in the corner. We can set it to animate just to give us a better idea of what's happening to the plate. As well as understand the difference that will be made after the optimization. Once you are happy with that, we will click Return to Home. Under the OptiAssist ribbon, we will then click on Topography Optimization. This will bring up the 5-tab optimization setup window. For the first tab, the subcase, we will click on the only subcase, the case there, click Next. Under the Design Rules tab, we will create a new design rule, so click New. For the upper limit, we'll keep that as 1, but the lower limit will be 0. Keep the shape vector normal to surface. We will then change the shape control to planar pattern. From here, we will set the pitch to 2, and then have the coordinate system to be the one in the middle there. For the selected plane, under the drop down, we will change it to ZX, and then click OK. Clicking on the property of the P-shell, we'll click Add Rule, where we can see the plane, and we can see the design rule has been added to that property. Click Next, and then we want to maximize stiffness, but leave the Get Current Mass. Selecting the load case, we will then click Next. No further constraints are required for this optimization, just click Next again. And the default settings under the Settings tab are absolutely fine for this optimization, so again, just click OK. Once that has been made, we will run the optimization, clicking on Solve. Once that has ran, just going to click No, close all the windows, and then take a look at the design history. We'll click Plot, and from here we can see that the compliance, which is the inverse of the stiffness, has decreased throughout the design cycles of the optimization. So we know the optimization has worked correctly. Just going to click Close, and now we're going to take a look at the shape that has been reduced. So again, reload the results, latest cycle, and plot. Once you're happy with that, we will click Close and update the model from the results. Latest cycle, settings are absolutely fine. We'll click OK, and then Yes. And now the plate has been updated from the corresponding optimization. This concludes the tutorial.